Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most hotly debated topics in air travel: window seat versus aisle seat. It's a decision that can make or break your flight experience. Sure, both have their perks, but let's be honest. One is the clear winner. I'm here to settle this once and for all. Buckle up, because I'm giving you 7 unbeatable reasons why the window seat reigns supreme. By the end, you'll be team window for life. Let's get started. Let's start with the obvious. The view. I mean, come on, is there anything quite like it? We're talking about a perspective that shifts from the mundane to the magnificent in a matter of minutes. It's a privilege, really, to witness the world from such a unique vantage point. The window seat gives you a front row ticket. Forget the nosebleeds. This is VIP access to a constantly evolving masterpiece. You're not just a passenger, you're an observer, a silent witness to the Earth's grandeur, to the greatest show on Earth, 35,000 feet in the air. It's a theater in the sky, with clouds as curtains and the sun as your spotlight. Each flight is a new production, a different act, a story told in landscapes and light. Watch your city shrink, transforming from a sprawling metropolis into a miniature model. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. The familiar becomes foreign, the everyday extraordinary. See rivers sparkle like ribbons of light winding their way across the land. From above, they reveal their true form, their intricate patterns, their vital connection to the world below. It's a geography lesson you'll never forget. Mountains rise, jagged peaks piercing the sky, monuments to the Earth's raw power. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding secrets and stories untold. To witness them from above is to feel a sense of awe and wonder. And clouds swirl beneath you, a fluffy white ocean stretching to the horizon. They morph and change, creating fantastical shapes and ethereal landscapes. It's like flying above a dream, a world of pure imagination. Sunrises and sunsets from a plane, absolutely breathtaking. The sky explodes with color, a fiery canvas painted with hues of orange, pink, and gold. It's a moment of pure magic, a reminder of the beauty that exists in the world. At night, cities glow like constellations, twinkling diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth. Each light represents a life, a story, a dream. It's a reminder of the vibrant energy that pulses within our urban centers. And you can spot stars with clarity you never get on the ground. Away from the city lights, the universe unfolds in all its glory. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of our place in the vast cosmos. The view connects you to your journey, grounding you in the present moment, even as you soar through the sky. It allows you to appreciate the distance traveled, the places you've been, and the adventures that lie ahead, making the world feel both vast and intimate. You're a part of something bigger, yet you're also experiencing it in a personal and profound way. It's a paradox that only the window seat can offer. It's not just scenery, it's an experience. It's a memory etched in your mind, a story you'll tell for years to come. It's the reason why some of us always choose the window seat, no matter the cost. The aisle seat? You get a view of elbows and beverage carts, a parade of passengers making their way to the restroom, the occasional glimpse of the outside world as the door opens and closes. The window seat, the entire planet, a panoramic vista of mountains, rivers, cities, and clouds, a constantly changing canvas of natural beauty. This alone should end the debate. I mean, really, is there any comparison? The aisle seat offers convenience, perhaps, but the window seat offers something far more valuable: wonder. Team Window wins round 1. And frankly, every round after that. It's not even a competition. It's a landslide victory for those who appreciate the beauty of the world from above. Why settle for less? Why confine yourself to a limited perspective when you can have the entire world at your fingertips? Choose the window seat and unlock a world of possibilities. Let's keep going. Because the advantages of the window seat don't stop at the view. There's so much more to explore, so many more reasons to choose the window. Reason 2, control. In the window seat, you're the master of the window shade. Want to watch a movie without glare? Shade down. Craving sunlight to read? Crack it open just for you. You set the lighting for your row. No awkward requests needed. On long flights, this control helps you manage jet lag and comfort. With new planes, you even get a dimmer switch for perfect mood lighting. The aisle seat, you're at someone else's mercy. In the window seat, you're in command. It's a small power, but it makes a huge difference. You're not just a passenger, you're the lighting director. Another big win for Team Window. Ready for more? Let's move on. Next up, peace and quiet. The window seat is your sanctuary. No one climbs over you to get out. You're shielded from the aisle's chaos, carts, elbows, and wandering passengers. In the aisle seat, You're a doorman for your row, constantly interrupted. In the window seat, you can relax, read, or sleep undisturbed. On long flights, this is priceless. You only get up when you want to, not at everyone else's whim. It's your private booth in a crowded sky. The aisle is a public highway. The window is your quiet corner. For true relaxation, the window seat is unbeatable. Why settle for constant interruptions? Choose peace, choose the window. Let's talk about sleep next. Stay with me. Sleepy travelers, this one's for you. The window seat is the ultimate in-flight nap zone. That wall, it's your built-in pillow, no more awkward head bobbing. You can lean, curl up, and actually rest. No one wakes you up to get by, and you control the light for perfect sleep conditions. The aisle seat, constant interruptions and nowhere to lean. The middle seat, don't even ask. For red-eye flights or long hauls, the window seat is your sleep sanctuary. Arrive refreshed, not groggy. Don't gamble with your rest. Book the window. Let's talk about capturing memories next. Ready? Love taking photos? The window seat is your personal sky-high studio. Capture jaw-dropping landscapes, sunsets, and city lights. Shots you'll remember forever. Your phone or camera becomes a tool for art, not just documentation. The window frames your photos perfectly, letting you get creative with every shot. Pro tip, press your lens to the glass to avoid glare. These aren't just social media moments, they're memories. The aisle seat's best shot, the safety card. The window seat gives you the world as your canvas. For storytellers and memory makers, it's non-negotiable. Your travel story starts here. Let's talk about comfort and privacy next. Almost there. The window seat. It's more than just a place to rest during your flight. It's more than just a portal to the world outside. It isn't just about the views, though those are certainly a major perk. It's about something deeper, something more personal. It's about creating your own little world, a temporary haven amidst the hustle and bustle of air travel. It's about comfort and privacy, two things that can be hard to come by when you're crammed into a metal tube with hundreds of other people. The window seat offers a unique sense of enclosure, a feeling of being shielded from the outside world. It's a chance to retreat into yourself, to unwind and de-stress. You're tucked away, bordered by the wall, creating a physical barrier between you and the rest of the passengers. This simple act of separation can make a world of difference, allowing you to feel more secure and in control of your environment. It's like having your own little fortress in the sky. With only one neighbor, you minimize the chances of unwanted interactions or disturbances. No need to worry about bumping elbows or awkward small talk. You have a buffer zone, a personal space that allows you to relax and be yourself. It's your own little nook, a cozy corner where you can escape the pressures of travel and simply be. It's a place to recharge, to gather your thoughts, and to prepare for whatever awaits you at your destination. Perfect for reading, allowing you to immerse yourself in a good book without distractions. The window seat provides a natural light source and a sense of seclusion, making it the ideal spot to get lost in a story, working if you need to stay productive on the go. The window seat offers a stable surface and a degree of privacy, allowing you to focus on your tasks without being disturbed, or just zoning out, letting your mind wander as you gaze out at the clouds. The window seat is a place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. It's a chance to daydream, to reflect, and to simply be present in the moment. Need to focus? The window seat minimizes distractions, allowing you to concentrate on what's important. Whether you're working on a project, studying for an exam, or simply trying to relax, the window seat provides a quiet and secluded space where you can focus your attention. Want to be left alone? Turn toward the window and enjoy your space. It's a clear signal to your fellow passengers that you're not in the mood for conversation. The window seat allows you to create a boundary, a personal bubble that protects you from unwanted intrusions. It's a cozy, secure spot, a place where you can feel safe and protected. The window seat offers a sense of enclosure, a feeling of being surrounded by a protective barrier. This can be especially comforting for those who are anxious or uneasy about flying, especially comforting for nervous flyers, providing a sense of control and stability. The ability to look out the window and see the world below can be reassuring, helping to ground you in reality and ease your anxiety. The aisle seat is exposed in public, leaving you vulnerable to bumps, knocks, and unwanted attention. The window seat is your private retreat, a sanctuary where you can escape the chaos of the cabin and find a moment of peace. You can snuggle up, relax, and let the stresses of the day melt away. The window seat is a place to unwind, to decompress, and to prepare for whatever lies ahead and feel at home, even at 35,000 feet. The window seat can transform a cramped and uncomfortable airplane cabin into a cozy and inviting space. It's a place where you can feel safe, secure, and at peace. For mental comfort, nothing beats it. The window seat offers a unique combination of privacy, security, and visual stimulation that can be incredibly soothing and restorative. The window seat is your sanctuary in the sky, a place where you can escape the pressures of the world and find a moment of tranquility. Ready for the final reason? The best is yet to come. Let's land this plane and see what awaits us. Here's the best part, the unparalleled view during takeoff and landing. The grand finale, the moment we've all been waiting for, the culmination of hours spent in the air, soaring above the clouds. It's arrival time. The plane begins its descent, a gentle dip towards the earth, signaling the end of one journey and the exciting start of another. The window seat. Ah, the coveted spot for the true adventurer. It gives you the first unfiltered glimpse of your destination, a sneak peek into the world that awaits you. It's more than just a view, it's an introduction, a prelude to the experiences that are about to unfold. As you descend, you watch the landscape transform before your very eyes. It's like watching a movie in fast forward, the scenery morphing from fluffy clouds to tangible terrain. The world below awakens, revealing its secrets layer by layer. Roads, like veins pumping life into the land, begin to snake their way across the landscape. They connect distant points, hinting at the journeys that lie ahead, the paths you might soon travel. Buildings, rising from the earth like monuments to human ambition, start to define the skyline. They tell a story of communities, of lives lived, of dreams built and realized. Each structure a piece of the puzzle that makes up your destination. Coastlines where the land embraces the sea, all coming into focus. The meeting of two worlds, a dynamic boundary where nature's forces collide and create breathtaking beauty. The rhythmic crashing of waves, a constant reminder of the Earth's power. It's a dramatic reveal, a carefully orchestrated unveiling of the destination's character, building excitement, anticipation, and a sense of wonder for your trip. The world is opening up to you, inviting you to explore its hidden corners and embrace its unique charm. You spot landmarks, familiar shapes rising from the landscape, beacons that guide you towards the heart of your destination. They are the iconic symbols, the visual representations of the place you're about to explore. You connect the map in your mind to reality, transforming abstract lines and names into tangible places, and you feel the anticipation rise, a thrilling mix of excitement and curiosity as you prepare to step into this new chapter. The aisle seat? Well, you might hear the landing gear rumble, a mechanical symphony of arrival. But you miss the show, the visual spectacle that unfolds outside the window. You're left to imagine what could have been, a silent observer in a world of vibrant scenery. The window seat gives you a preview of your adventure, a tantalizing glimpse of what's to come before you even land. It's a promise of exploration, a whisper of discovery, a visual invitation to immerse yourself in the destination's unique tapestry. The landing itself is a spectacle, a carefully choreographed dance between machine and earth. A moment of controlled descent, a gradual transition from the freedom of flight to the grounded reality of arrival. Runway, stretching out like a concrete canvas, awaiting the gentle embrace of the aircraft's wheels. The stage is set, the actors are in place, and the final act is about to begin. Flaps, adjusting with precision, guiding the aircraft towards its final destination. These mechanical wings, working in harmony, ensure a smooth and safe touchdown. Touchdown, a gentle bump, a reassuring connection with the earth, all in full view. The journey is complete, the destination reached, and the adventure is about to begin. It's the perfect transition, a seamless shift from the confines of the aircraft to the open possibilities of your destination. The bridge between journey and experience, a moment of anticipation and excitement. That first glimpse, that initial visual connection, is the official start of your adventure. The curtain rises, the stage is set, and you are the star of your own travel story. Only Team Window gets this experience, this exclusive preview of the world that awaits. They are the privileged few, the visual explorers, the ones who understand the true value of a window seat. From takeoff to landing, the window seat tells the whole story. A visual narrative of your journey through the skies. It's a complete experience, a cinematic adventure that unfolds before your very eyes. So why miss out on this incredible opportunity? Why settle for a mere journey when you can have an immersive experience? Let's wrap it up and make sure next time you're on Team Window, don't let the magic of travel pass you by. Choose the window seat, embrace the view, and let the adventure begin. There you have it. The view, the power, the peace, the naps, the photos, the privacy, and that first magical glimpse of your destination. The window seat transforms a flight into an unforgettable adventure. But what do you think? Are you team window or team aisle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your stories. If you're now eyeing the window seat for your next trip, hit like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for joining me. Safe travels, and may your window always be clean and your view spectacular. See you next time.